Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the battery in your Conga Excelence vacuum cleaner. This process is straightforward, and with the right tools, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Ensure you have a new battery compatible with your Conga Excelence model. You can find these batteries online or at your local hardware store. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and ensuring it is completely powered off. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to double-check that there is no residual power. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using a soft cloth or a small brush. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery. Now disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. Make a note of how the battery is positioned, as you will need to place the new battery in the same orientation. If you're unsure, take a photo for reference. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Ensure it is securely attached. If you need help with this, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the new battery is in place, replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the back cover, it's time to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved performance with the new battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Our services are designed to make your life easier, with no calls and no travel required. In summary, changing the battery in your Conga Excelence is a simple task that can be completed with a few basic tools and some careful attention. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.